Welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the Warnings tab, or somewhat of a manner of deconfliction in NavDrone between other drone operators, as well as the TCAM guidance updates to 901.73. So again, we'll be discussing NavDrone warnings of other drone operation, or manner of minor deconfliction, and as well as 901.73 as per the TCAM latest updates as per page 456. So when planning an operation, you'll see this area in particular is Peterborough. You want to ensure that you do your due diligence with the particular site. So as you can see here, I have selected the particular area. I'm taking a look at the particulars in regards to the layers of that area, as well as I have it selected on the selectable street layer, just for further nuanced look at the particular area. Now I usually like to try to use a circle when I'm drawing the boundaries of my area or area of interest. Now in this example, we have two overlapping circles. In most cases, you will not see an overlapping circle if there's another operation. Nav Canada does not publish drone operations for other users to see openly, but this is just an example just to show you that we have two overlapping area of interest and what may happen thereafter. So I'm filling out more or less the information, taking a look at my grid squares, looking at the layer level data to see the maximum heights that I actually can file or fly. Now to fast track all of this entire process, I'm just going to speed right through the last layer of more or less the warnings tab, where Nav Canada advises your proposed operation is in another area of a drone operation, as you can see here, with another drone operation zone, right? As you can see, this operation is now almost basically auto-approved. You just need to go through the permission section and filling out the appropriate information as shown. Once the applicable sections have been filled out, the flight authorization will then become auto-approved. So there you have it. There's a warning tab in regards to notification of other proposed drone operations. Now, again, if someone was in the residing area of your flight area or area of interest, it would actually pop up on your warnings tab. I was just showing you an example of me filing dual flight authorizations in my own area of interest. But again, the same situation happened, which you could not see another operator. NavDrone would actually provide a minor warning in the tab here, which could be considered minor deconfliction. Now on to established procedures. Transport Canada has updated some guidance material on section 3.4.5 in regards to page 453 in regards to established procedures. Take a look, take a read, and review the updates as per the established procedures, CARS 901.73. As a courtesy note, guidance material is frequently updated, so this material would have been updated 6 months prior in regards to production before they printed this, and it was locked 6 months ago. Any further updates to guidance material, such as guidance material factored in for today with current procedures, or any updates would be published on the next TCAIM. Thank you for watching.
Sugu, a safer future with technology.
Be sure to like and subscribe.